The Dawn Chorus is brought to you by BirdLife South Africa and Guy Gibbon Bird Calls. Today's bird call is the Victorin's Warbler. Victorin's warbler is one of the most attractive-looking warblers. It has rich, tawny, cinnamon underparts, pale orange to yellowish eyes with a grey ear patch, distinctive and unmistakable. It is endemic to Cape Fold Mountains, from the Cederberg to Uitenhage, and fairly common in dense, moist vegetation along seeps or streams. Close to Cape Town, Helderberg Nature Reserve and Harold Porter Botanical Gardens near Betty's Bay is a good place to encounter it. The Dawn Chorus was brought to you by BirdLife South Africa and Guy Gibbon Bird Calls. Today's call was the Victorin's Warbler.